What is up, my babes? Today I'm here with another video, and this one's about, well, this one is not a new nerf gun, but it's to compare it to the new version. I'll get to that in a minute, but anyway, I got two new nerf guns for my birthday. The Disruptor from my aunt, and the, I don't know Roman numerals very well. You know what Roman numeral that is? XV11?
17.
So 17-3000. Nerf Rival is what it's called apparently. And it's the only Nerf Rival gun I have from that series, and I don't have very many balls. I only have the 30 that came with it, so I'm going to have to buy some more. And so, anyways, this is how it works. You open it up, and then you just like put them in, and then you just slide that forwards. And if this wasn't already cocked, you could go like that, and then push it back forwards, and that would put one of these canisters in position, and they rotate. There's 3 of them. And then this thing right here, if you press it in, it locks the trigger so you can't shoot. And then this, let's say it jammed, you could press that down, you hold it down, it should stay like that for a minute, and then it would let you go to the next one. I don't think it's for jamming, but probably for, it's not pointing anywhere near you. It's probably for, I'd say, if your thing was empty, but there's another one that was full, that's probably what that's for. And then you can put a scope attachment right there, but I have none of those sort of things, so. And then, I'm not sure if you can attach a back part to this. I don't think you can, but there's a hole there for you to hang it up, I think. Oh, anyway, I should probably shoot it. You should probably not film me like that. I should probably go to the side again. In case you didn't know this one shoots at 100 feet per second when a normal Nerf gun shoots at only 70 with normal bullets. Sometimes it shoots out 2, sometimes it shoots out 1. No, don't roll out. There you go. You have like some kind of like a target to stop it all.
Why don't you pick one of those up and show us what you got? There you go. Hold still.
It has a little N right there for Nerf.
It's a little golf ball, almost squinchy.
Squishy.
Yeah. Okay. What do they taste like?
Oh, let's find out.
Ooh, lemony. So where do you want me to film this? Just you? Because I can't get the whole, like, you know.
You can
It's either close on you.
You're on the side there, you can see the bullet move.
All right.
I'm going to try and hit that red thing right there.
Okay, well, I can't film that. I guess gotta. Okay, I'll zoom in on that and see if you hit it.
It's really accurate, so eventually I should be able to hit it.
I don't think you're even getting close.
Trust me, this gun is accurate. Last night, me and my friends were bouncing a ball, and I was able to shoot the basketball as it was bouncing. Don't! No! We can't lose it! Action scene!
All right, well, I'd say let's move on to the comparison of the other items.
Okay, yeah, you're probably right. I'm gonna try and get that one last. Am I all out? Oh, yeah, what do you know I am? Okay, well, you can either pause the video or do an intermission, because I'm gonna go grab the bullets that went out.
Pac-Man had babies everywhere.
No, it's Pac-Man eggs. Pac-Man eggs.
All right, so what do you got now?
Okay, so anyway.
Why don't you hold them both up, side by side?
So this is the old version.
Okay.
This is the new version. The old version is more bulkier and way heavier. Well, not way heavier, but you get the point, heavier. This one's less bulky and it's more agile and stuff. I don't know what you want to say. It's more of an upgrade compared to that one. So they stopped making this one. This one's called the Strong Arm. Older version of this. So they eventually changed the name to the Disruptor. And I know this from my friend Sam, which is, if you've seen my other videos, you know he's an extreme Nerf gun enthusiast. And so he told me this, and so I knew that, and well, I didn't know it then, but then after he told me it, I knew it. So,
And now I know it.
yeah, I guess you do. But, so my aunt sent me this in the mail, because she lives a ways away from here. And so then I got this for my birthday, and it shoots out normal light Nerf bullet darts, and it's not the same as this one. Show you the more detailed aspects. First off, it's a lot bigger than this. It's like, look at it, side by side. It's hard to do, really hard. My arms are not liking this. There we go. And then, so it has a slightly different scope, where this one's just a normal scope, kind of like where you look through it. And this one kind of has it going down a little bit. This does not have this on the back. And it does not have that thing that moves. Pressing the trigger a little bit, but not shooting it. It kind of moves around a little bit. This one has nothing that moves around in the back. And this is also my very first Nerf gun I ever got. I lost it for about a year and a half behind the couch downstairs. Don't ask me how it got there. I mean, I know it was me, but I don't know how I put it back there. If I dropped it or something. Anyway, that's irrelevant. This one also does not have this thing where you can hold it like that. Nor does it have a button here. Ugh. Hard to do with all the two arms and two hands. There we go. Also has a thing that pokes out like that. Whereas this thing does not, and that's why it doesn't have this bottom part. So you can just spin it around, kind of, and just put them in. Whereas this one, it'd be a lot harder to put them in like that. I mean, like you could. That's why they have this little area, I'd imagine. That little area there has extra space. So if you want to squeeze in a bullet, like, I'll show you. Oops. Oh gosh. It's okay. These things are built tough. So, like, let's say you were to put it in right there. You can go. Or not. Oh wait, yes, I got it. So I'd imagine that it's.
You would have got shot about 12 times by now.
Well, if you were like in the bushes or something like that, or if you were on the run, you could do it better because you're under pressure or something. I don't know. That's how I am. Normally, that's not how it is at all. Okay. Anyway, I should probably compare this by shooting gun. So, oops, wrong one. see which one shoots farther. So, I'm doing the old one called the strong arm first. Well, you might want to film out there so that you can see where the bullet lands. I saw where that landed. It was like right here. I'm just going to lay my gun here for now. I'm going to grab a piece of chalk. The chalk code. You know where the chalk's at? Oh, I found a piece. There we go. It's going to be straight line for that one, and then for the other one, it's going to be a plus symbol. Addition symbol, what do I say? That landed.
Why don't you shoot them all and then go mark them?
Oh, I'm going to do another 2 bullets from this gun now, the new one, to see if it shoots any further than that one. Oh, crap, yes. Oh, I already know where that landed. That bullet out there is already marking where it landed, actually.
Well, I think it's safe to say the new one shoots farther.
Yeah. And a lot stronger. I can actually shoot with both of the springs. Other one landed right here. Where the new one did. Oh, there it is.
Giant dinosaur, run, the dinosaur.
What?
Oh, what? Oh, you're back, okay.
Oh, I get it. You were doing the thing with the fingers?
All right, so what do we got here? Is it going to wrap it up now?
No, let's shoot out the clips of these 2 first. Because I feel like it.
All right, the grand finale.
The wind really catches those. It does that sometimes when top of back is so old it shoots. Oh crap.
All right, awesome.
Oh, that's it. I will see you in a different video of my banks. It's about being a bank as well. Also, may the force be with you, and remember, God's awesome. Supposed to press the button now?
Ah!